labanan ang agos ng paghamon. Mabuwal at madapaman, sabay tayong aahon. Posible kayang mabura alinlangan sa sarili. Ang tapang sa loob makikita, taglay mo ang dugong bayani. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong.
I have witnessed how the participants, the facilitators, and the conveners were challenged, enriched, and how they learned and unlearned from one another. Maybe this is really the essence of the Student Council Leaders Conference. It is learning and unlearning things from one another. From a great contemporary leader, Martin Luther King, I quote, "The primary purpose of education is not intelligence, it is character." And from this, I think, character is what our present leaders lack today. And it is what the Student LeadCon is trying to do. It is trying to form, to mold, and create the characters of the future leaders. And I am very proud and I am very fortunate to say that I am one of the 300 or more student leaders who has been formed and molded by the Student LeadCon. From attending the first two Student Leaders Conference, I realized a lot. First is that leadership is not confined in the four walls of a classroom. That student leaders are not only useful in their campuses and their universities, but there's a bigger world out there wherein they can serve the country and the community. And also, I also have learned that the youth should never delve into apathy and indifference, that we should all stand together and help our government solve its most pressing issues. And lastly, it has taught me that leaders are not only born but they are also made. And this year, 2008, we are expecting 200 or more student leaders, much better speakers, more pressing youth issues to discuss, but the same strong vision for the youth, and of course, still with Anwaray Party List. The third Student Council Leaders Conference is something to look forward to. To all the youth and student leaders of Eastern Visayas, we invite you to the third Eastern Visayas Regional Student Council Leadership Conference. Come, join, and be part of the biggest gathering of the best youth leaders in Eastern Visayas. Let us prove to the country and to the whole world that the youth today is a very important sector in our community.